Alright, so this is a nice park in Beaver Falls. And, yeah, it looks about the same. That might be a little bit different, but it's been a while since I actually toured here. I'm gonna prank call one of my friends real quick. Just to drive them crazy. A lot of known coming, but I'm gonna mess with them a little bit. Nice little park though. I'm trying to find shade somewhere.
Justin, I can't get to my phone right now. Leave me a message and I'll call you back. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, this is the fire department. We heard that you're having a big fire, and that's not acceptable. We're coming down to stop the big fire right now, because it's not acceptable to have a big fire like that. So we're coming down to stop your big fire.